Hey guys, welcome back to my channel and welcome to my new series called A Craft a Day Keeps the Stress Away, where I'm going to be taking either 1 or 2 weeks out of the month and sharing one DIY every day. Some days they may be brand new DIYs you haven't seen before, other days they may be an oldie but goodie that you may have missed. This week's theme is going to be grab your tea and let's get crafting. Let's take this adorable ladder from Dollar Tree and spruce it up just a little bit. This pumpkin is from Hobby Lobby. I bought it in a pack at 40% off, so it's a really good deal if you go and do that instead of buying the individual Dollar Tree pumpkins. So I'm going to take this plastic knife from Dollar Tree and just cut through the foam pumpkin. I'll be using these Velcro fastener dots from Dollar Tree. And then I'm just going to stack the other one right on top. That way I know exactly where it's going to go on the pumpkin and I don't have to guess. So instead of trying to guess where I'm going to put it on the pumpkin, I can just do this, press on it, and it's stuck. I'm going to use some twine to wrap around this skewer. I'm going to make a bow using this Dollar Tree ribbon. Subscribe to my channel and hit the notification bell so you're notified every time I upload a video and you don't miss any of my crafts. And I'll see you guys tomorrow. Bye.